I'm just gonna close my eyes and pretend that I'm not
God.
here. All these empty faces talking about problems I don't care.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing part 2 of my closet clean out, and I will start filming now and then I will film tomorrow, I think. Yeah, I will film tomorrow. So I will flip the camera around because now my closet is in a real mess. After summer we just have people over and we've been traveling all over Sweden, and so my closet really needs a clean out, and I need to get rid of stuff that I don't use anymore. So yeah, let's take a look. Look at this. Look at this mess. Let's go. Here is some stuff. This is a full bag, and here's another bag I just cleaned out. Here are my new little pillows that I bought at IKEA. So I stuffed them with my bags. But here you can see it's just a mess. Oh, look at this. Oh my God. Well, I'll turn to the... Like I said, total mess. Need to clean a lot of stuff out. And yeah, I will clean out stuff. Shoes that I love but I don't use, and and shoes that I just keep because look at these. These are just fabulous. I got them from a friend. They are super high and they are not so comfortable, and I really think they are my style, but I'm not in any places where I need to wear a shoe like this, so I think these will go. Then these clumsy, these are just H&M shoes. I'm not gonna use them, so let's get started. So hi, it's another day, and let's turn on the lights. I still haven't cleaned out my closet, and here I am. Say
hi.
Lily's home because she was a little bit sick, and without makeup I just have yeah, you can see sweatpants and stuff on, but I thought I would start cleaning out the closet, and I thought you could join me. These, I mean, super high. I'm like really tall with these, and I can't walk in them, so these have to go as well. Yes, good job Lily, bra jobbat.
Hej dann.
Okay, next pair. This pair I use once a year. Can you imagine what day? Well, I'm not ready to let them go either, because I think it's pretty nice to have, whoa, I'm close, have a pair of Christmas shoes, so I think they will stay. But look at this. Some empty spaces. Look at that. Well, not done yet.
Mommy.
Yes, darling. I bought these shoes. I have never used them, but I quite like them. So this is how far I come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pairs so far. Of course, that's my new Converse I will keep, and that's my Calvin Klein slides I will keep. But these, they need to go. Okay, these pair, they practically not fit me anymore, but these are so beautiful, so I can't get rid of them. Even if I don't wear them, they will have to stay. And here is another low shoe I like. This booty is really comfortable, so it can stay. Tory Burch. These are a little bit too big and these are tiny bit too small, but I think I will keep both of them anyway because I think they are so beautiful. These will stay, these will stay. Oh, I'm not sure about these two. I think I keep them. Not sure. This heel I really love. It's from H&M and I really love the cut in front. These pair have saved me many times. They are like kitten heels, but they look like a really high pump when you see them like this. So love them. These, I kind of love these as well, so they will stay. So my battery died. Okay, let's go. Did I mention the pink heels will stay? These pair, I think they still work. Here is a shorter. They started to get really old. Here I have some clogs. I think I will keep them. Here is just some flats, sneakers. Heels with open toe. Oh, you can see the dust in here. Ooh, so dusty. Here is my Acne boots. I really love them. I think they are really cool. My espadrilles. Ooh, really dusty as well. Oh my god. I really need to clean out these closets, as you can see. So my espadrilles, my mules will stay. I love these loafers. And here is some more espadrilles. So I think I will keep them as well. These boots I will get rid of. I had them for quite some years and I have never ever used them. So they're not in style anymore anyway. And it's not my style. So I think they are gorgeous and I think somebody else could make them work. My favorite boots of all time will stay. These boots, I really enjoy them. They are quite special and I think they will stay. These are really outdated in style, but I kind of like them anyway, so I think they will stay. More boots like the one I like, so these will stay. Now it's starting to become a shoe video instead of cleaning out. They will stay off with all the pieces, and that was not my intention. I have one pair here. These are also pretty outdated in style and they are quite dusty, but I kind of like them anyway, so I think they will stay. These pair I have never used because they are orange. I don't know what I was thinking. I was choosing between the pink because then I had my white pair in high, and then I thought, well, I get a pink, or should I go with orange? And then I'm not the orange kind of girl, so I never used them, but I think I will start. It's pretty sad just to have them standing here all new. Or maybe I should try to sell them, maybe, so I can get another pair. Yeah, I think about that. Maybe this is a sell. Then we have these sock boots. They will definitely stay. Now I will start to get rid of the shoes. I will move them out of here, and then okay, the shoes I will get rid of. I'm all dusty. The shoes I will get rid of. I will put in a bag, and then I need to clean the closet, so I need to get all of this out. Oh god, I think this will be a video that will go on for days to days to days to days. Oh, blah. Okay, just keep going. Look at this. So look at this. It's a big IKEA bag, and here's Michael Kors shoes. Yeah, nice job. And this is closet clean out with clothes.
Mama, jag har tuggummi.
So now I just cleaned out the closet. I haven't actually cleaned it. I have sorted out the stuff that I will get rid of. So now I need to clean it, but I just want to look at the space. So, and then I have more shelves here that I can put stuff. So quite happy with this. So, and now it's time for the straw bags to go away, and this one as well. Now I will pack them for next year. And now we're gonna look at the bags that I'm thinking of selling and stuff. So we have this Vuitton I'm thinking of. Oh, I will do a separate video with the bags that I'm thinking of selling. Before I was thinking of selling my Petite Noir, but you guys said to me, don't sell it, so I think it would stay for a while. Anyway, I'm not ready, but I think this is how far I will come today. So maybe I will do a closet clean out part 3. So this was number 2. The other one, I can link it up here. Same problem every time. I will link it up and down below, so you can go check it out if you like. And yeah, I think that's about it, because this video is gonna be so super long. So anyway, did you like this video? Please give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. It would make me really happy, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!
I don't wanna hear about your lovers, how many rum and coke you had before you got